It's been the most wonderful morning to be able to come here to Samoa's market and to see the vibrancy of the young entrepreneurs. Marley, whose stall I'm standing beside, was a runner-up in the Commonwealth competition, and I really think she's done the most fantastic job, not only employing herself in an industry which she loves in terms of clothing, but also creating real opportunities for other young women like herself, with the verve, the excitement, and the dynamism that you need to create a new business. This is the sort of entrepreneurial example that many women across the Commonwealth, particularly in the smaller villages, are using to create new futures for themselves. And we here in the Commonwealth have to do everything we can to make sure their dreams become a reality, so that we get a safer, better, more balanced world. Women in business, women participating in government is what we know will make us have a safer, secure and happier Commonwealth. So, well done, Marley.